Hello, everyone, and welcome to another session of Beyond the Script. Today, we have another nutritional tip for you. I hope your week is going well. Today, we're going to reach into our files and talk about certain types of protein foods that you can consume if you have kidney failure. There's some foods you need to avoid, and of course, there's certain foods that are beneficial for you. So, this nutritional tip gives you some insights into that. Always remember, if you like this and find this to be very helpful, be sure to subscribe, like, and of course, share with all your friends and colleagues. So let's dig into this nutritional tip today.
Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Veronica, and this week we're going to be talking about kidney failure, a midday meal. So for our action of the week, we're going to be actually talking about certain studies that are pretty important when it comes to kidney disease, kidney failure, and dialysis in general. Which protein is good for you? Now that is a big question, and several studies that are still going on to this day figuring out what is best. Now, according to Dr. Greger, How Not to Die, not all protein is equal. High animal protein intake can influence your normal kidney function, which can cause stress on the kidneys. Eating the same amount of protein in plants doesn't appear to have the same strains in most studies. So if you notice, when consuming a plant-based diet regimen, and plants do contain a good amount of protein, there have been a greater difference and a positive difference versus when it comes to animal meat. And the reason why is because studies have shown that animal protein can cause stress due to inflammation that animal products produce. And plant-based food items don't cause this, so you want to continue to eat your greens. Now, our foods to avoid, we're going to be looking at restaurant salads with oils. Now, I know it's very difficult to go into a restaurant and just tell the chef that you cannot have certain food items just because of feeling a little nervous about what they may say. Well, in many cases, there are salads that contain a large amount of oil and people don't always know, or they may not care. Now, vegetable oils do contain BHA and BHT, which have been known to produce potential cancer compounds. Also, oils are very harmful and can cause an increase with saturated fat. So another way to avoid this is simply going to a restaurant, asking them if they can provide no oils in your salads, and then asking if they could put your dressing on the side. That way, maybe you can bring your own dressing and use. Now, substitution for this, which is what Marissa is creating, is our asparagus cherry tomato salad with homemade Dijon dressing. So that sounds really yummy. Now, we're going to look at the nutritional benefits of a particular food item, beans. And beans have a large amount of nutrients, including soluble and insoluble fiber, which is important for your digestive system, and is also very low in fat and can lower your cholesterol drastically. Wondering why I'm still talking about cholesterol when we're in kidney failure? Both kind of go hand in hand. It's also very low in sodium, and if you are on dialysis, though, you want to make sure that you still monitor your protein intake. According to Dr. McDougall, sometimes the potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium in certain cases can cause some stress in the kidneys. However, when monitoring this and making sure that you really follow a strict plant-based diet, you'll notice that your body, especially when you're on dialysis, will be able to have less inflammation versus when you're consuming the animal product. So beans are a great way to consume your protein and making sure that it's plant-based. Also, another nutritional benefit is asparagus. Kidney patients have the symptoms of high swelling or high blood pressure, and asparagus can naturally lower your blood pressure and remit the swelling altogether. Asparagus can naturally clean your kidney and bladder by being a natural diuretic, and asparagus has also been known to strengthen your immune system and help with digestion. So, for our nutritional summary, we talked about our action steps, which were simply discussing animal protein versus plant protein, foods to avoid, which can be restaurant salads with several oils, finding a way to opt out for all of that, and the nutritional benefits of beans and asparagus. Thanks. See you guys next time.
Well, there you have it. So foods that you need to avoid and some foods that you can consume if you're concerned about kidney failure. This and many other tips can be found on future shows here on Beyond the Script. Also, we have other programs, our online nutritional boot camp that gives more in-depth information. So first and foremost, if you like this video and you found it helpful, please subscribe and like it. Therefore, you'll hear about it again when we put other nutritional tips and recipes. Recipes are on Tuesday mornings at 11 o'clock Central Time. Nutritional tips on Thursday morning, 11 o'clock Central Times. And sometimes we'll add fitness tips in the place of the nutritional tips. So stay tuned for our new fitness tips that will be coming up soon as well. And of course, as I mentioned before, for our online programs, you want more information or more support. If you want to go on your own personal wellness journey with a nutritional bootcamp detox, our programs are scientifically shown to be beneficial, and our people do quite well. If you have any general questions, please feel free to email us at wellness@montgomeryheart.com. Until next time, continue to live beyond the script and look forward to seeing you here next week. Also, don't forget our Monday night show, Fresh, Live, and Natural. It's a 1-hour show. Myself and some other experts are on. We invite guest speakers to talk about numerous interesting topics from the safety of your water, fresh air, exercise tips, the benefits of bitter foods, and all other natural things that you can consider in terms of improving your health. So again, that's Monday evening, 7 o'clock p.m. Central Time, right here on Beyond the Script. Again, look forward to seeing you next time.